In today's class, we will study the digestants. This topic is present in the BAMS syllabus, second phase, the pharmacology syllabus. How the term is originated, digestant. The word meaning, first of all, we will study the digestant. If you split the word, it becomes the digest plus and here digest means to break down the food into absorbable substance, and ant is nothing but action. It means agent or any drugs that performs the actions. Simple meaning is the digestant. It is that the substance or a drugs which help for the breakdown of the food into the absorbable substance. Those substances are called, or those drugs are called as a digestants. Now the next, the meaning is digestants are the agents that aid and improve the digestion of the food. Simple meaning is the digestants are nothing but to improve the digestion. Those drugs are called as a digestants. Next is the definition of the digestants. The definition is the digestants are the substance or the drugs that facilitate digestion by supplementing. It means externally we are giving the supplements to improve the digestion, the supplementing and stimulating the digestive enzymes. Whatever the enzymes are there, the pepsin, hydrochloric acid, these are the stimulating the digestive enzyme to secrete it, enzymes and digestion secretions, thereby improving breakdown and absorption of the food. If you give these digestant drugs, these drugs are the substance, those are facilitate for the digestion, increase the, it means that digestions are the supplements, acts as a supplement, external supplements, those increase the stimulating the increasing the digestive enzyme as well as increasing the digestive secretion, thereby improving the digestion of the food. This is called as a digestant. Now the mechanism of actions, how the digestants or the drugs digestants acts in our body, the mode of action or mechanism of action. So first of all, the supplement deficient digestive enzymes. If in our body the digestive enzymes are low, then these supplements are, whenever entered in the abdomen, in the stomach, then these supplement deficient digestive enzymes, it will fulfill and correct the our digestion. Second thing is the promotes the digestion of the carbohydrate, protein and fats. In our the nutrients, those are there that promotes these digestants, promotes the carbohydrate, protein, fat digestion. The next mechanism of action is improve the gastric and intestinal digestion. In our stomach or intestine, these digestants or these supplements helpful for the corrections or improve the digestants. Next one is the increase the nutrient absorption. If you give these class of the drugs, this will helpful for the increasing the nutrients. It means enhance the nutrition absorption. It means the due to nutritional deficiency the patient is suffering, in that cases also if you give the digestants, then these drug class of the drugs, those are helpful for the absorption of the nutrients and give strength also. The next thing is the mechanism of action is relieves the symptoms of indigestion and post meal discomfort. The whenever in your hospital OPD clinic the patient is came but complaining that completion is the indigestion as well as post meal discomfort or distension of the abdomen or indigestion, in that cases this drug we are prescribing. This is about the mechanism of action. The next one is the classification. The digestants are mainly we are classifying into three types. The first of all, enzyme digestants, enzyme digestant. Second class of the drugs are acid digestants. It means the acids we are giving. Third one, herbal digestants. Three types of the digestants are available. Normally we are categorizing or dividing into three types of the digestant. First of all, the enzyme. Simply we are supplements, enzyme supplements we are giving. Second one is the acid digestants, acid supplement. Third one is the natural or herbal digestants we are giving. Okay, now we'll start one by one. The enzyme digestants, okay, the drugs which are having the pepsin, pancreatin, diastase and peptin. These are the class of the drugs. These are the helpful for the increasing the enzymes, digestive enzymes increasing and helpful for the digestion. You know that pepsin is one of the enzymes that helpful for the digestion of the protein. Here the pancreatin, it is also one of the digestive enzymes. It helpful for the digestion of the here the carbs and as well as the protein. And diastase, this is helpful for the digestion of the starch, carbs, and it is also one of the digestive enzymes that is helpful for the digestion of the protein. Okay, these are the enzymes, digestive enzymes. These are helpful for the increasing of the digestion. The next one is the class is the acid digestant. In this group, the second one is the acids. So we are giving the drugs which stimulate the acids in our body or in the improve the digestion. Those class drugs are called as acid digestants. Those are hydrochloric, dilute hydrochloric acids. Second one is the acid-pepsin preparations. These class of the drugs, those are the acid digestants. And the third one is the herbal digestion. It means that natural or the Ayurvedic herbal digestants are, those are the ginger and cumin and cardamom, peppermint. These class of the drugs are these are the drugs which are giving supplement to help improve the digestion. This is about the classification of the digestant. The next one is the therapeutical uses. Now the in which diseases we are, as a doctor, we are prescribing the these class of the drug or digestant. The first thing is the indigestion. If patient is complaining the indigestion or dyspepsia, in that cases the doctor is or we are prescribing the this digestant. The second one is the loss of appetite. The patient is complaining that loss of appetite. In that cases also, in that disease also, the loss of appetite we are prescribing. Third one, pancreatic enzyme deficiency. If you found the in the lab report, if you found that the pancreatic enzyme is deficient, in that cases you can give this class enzyme digestant drugs. This is about the therapeutic. Next, fourth one is the postpartum fullness. The patient is complaining after eating. Sometimes the patient abdomen is full or feeling the discomfort. That in that cases also you can prescribe this drug. And malabsorption, it means that is a absorption of the nutrient is not correct. In that cases also this class of the drug we are prescribing. Next one is the digestive insufficient. If the digestion is not improper or insufficient, that cases also, in that disease also we are prescribing the digestant. The next one is the adverse effect. The adverse effect, there is a no specific adverse effect, but still the some common adverse effect in rarest cases you can see. The first of all, nausea, and another one is the abdominal discomfort if you are taking continuous or heavy dose, or in case third one is the diarrhea or allergic reaction, also very rarely found. These are the adverse effect if your patient is taking high dose. In that cases, gastric irritation if these class of the drugs taking, and oral irritation also may be chance of the adverse effect. Next one is the advantages of the these digestants. The advantage is improve the digestion and absorption. If you give this class of drugs, it helpful for improving the digestion and absorption. Another one is the relieve symptoms of dyspepsia. It means whatever the symptoms are there, indigestion symptoms are there, it is relieving the symptoms. The next one, useful in the enzyme deficiency state. This is the enzyme deficiency is there, then in that cases if you prescribing the enzyme digestant, this will correct. The next one, generally safe when it is used in a proper dose or in a appropriate manner, there is a no side effect. Next one is the disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? The mainly symptomatic treatment. It means that there is no specific the root causes, it is not correcting, just it is correcting the only main symptoms. It is one of the disadvantages. It means that if you are taking these digestants for few hours, you are feeling very good. After that, again the patients complain the same problem because only symptoms it is treating, not treating the root cause. The next one, do not treat the underlying cause. Just now I told, it is not treating these class of the drug are not treating the why the enzymes are decreased, why the acid is not properly working. It is not treating, just it is treating the only symptoms, not treating the main cause. The next one, limited benefits in a healthy individual. If you are giving these class of the drugs in the healthy individual, there is no any benefit. Simply, if you are unnecessary, you are prescribing, there is no benefit in this class of the drugs. And lastly, the brands in the India, very common brands available. The common brands available are Aristozymes. You may heard about the very famous brands in children's as well in adults. Aristozyme drops, Aristozyme syrups is commonly available as a one of the digestants. The next one, Unizyme tablet and syrups. This is also this class of the drugs. It is very commonly available to correct the digestion. Next one is the fungal diastase and pepsin syrups. These are also common syrups available as a digestant to improve the digestion as well as to correct the digestion. These class of the drugs we are prescribing. Hope you understood today's class. If you understood, please like, share and subscribe. Share to your classmates. Thank you.